In this short video, we will learn how to display text in different languages using a language table. A language table allows us to store translations for your text in multiple languages. Instead of creating separate text nodes for each language, you can keep all translations in one place and simply switch between languages whenever needed. Before creating a language table, we first need to add the language we want to use. Click the Language Master magnifier icon. This will open the Cultures window. Now click the plus button to add a new culture. A new entry will be created. In the Culture field, select the language we want to add. Here we can enter either the full language name, such as Germany, or the culture code, such as DEDE. After selecting the language, click OK. As you can see, the language has been added here. Now select the text node from the scene tree. In the Properties panel, next to the text field, click the magnifier icon. This will open the language table selection window. Click the Add button to create a new language table entry. A new entry will be added. If needed, you can change the ID. In the text field, enter the text you want to display. This text will be used as the default language. Now click the Current Culture expander in the upper right corner of the language table selection window. Select the language you added earlier. For example, DEDE. The same entry will now be available for the selected language. Translate the text into the required language. We can use any translation tool to translate the text. Copy the translated text and paste it into the text field. After entering the translated text, click OK. After clicking OK, the text node content will automatically display the text in the selected language. We can switch between different languages using the Language Master, and the text node content will display the corresponding translation from the language table.